In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. We're going to go down below on the daily, then 4 hour, then 1 hour, and see what we can do. We're currently breaking out right now. I thought that we were going to actually go downward because we were in a symmetrical triangle, and when we're entering a symmetrical triangle coming from the top and then going down, we usually continue to the bottom. So we are currently having a breakout right now. As I am speaking today, Bitcoin is currently up 1.34%. We're also going to be having a look at Kadena, one of my favorite altcoins out there. So starting off with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, as I mentioned earlier, we're in a symmetrical triangle. We could take out the exponential moving average or the regular moving averages right here. We are about to retest the 50 moving average, which is a pretty important one. We haven't retested that 50 moving average since the 3rd of January 2022. So this is a pretty impressive and big move happening right now. Definitely something to look at, in my opinion. The fact that we are above the symmetrical triangle right here, this was the support, this was the resistance, and the fact that we are a little bit above it, that's a pretty good sign. Let's have a look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you could clearly see that we are above the triangle right here. This is a triangle that we were printing on the daily time frame. We were bouncing up and down, up and down, up and down. I thought we were going to come back below right here, but of course we're still in a trend, and as you guys know, the trend is your friend. You don't want to go against the trend ever. So Bitcoin is looking quite bullish right now. Now, if we're counting the wicks, assuming that we are counting the wicks, these are the wicks right here. Bitcoin did break a little bit above this wick right here, but we did not close. But we still have 8 hours and 33 minutes till the daily candle closes. So it's going to be very interesting to see how this weekly candle, this daily candle, closes. Let's have a look at the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, if we have a look, we actually came back right here, retested the breakout. Now we know that once we have a breakout above a very important resistance, we usually come back and break out of it. We are below the 50 moving average and of course, and the 200 moving average as well. So two positive signs right here. If we have a look at the exponential moving average, we are well above it on not only on the 4 hour but on the daily time frame, guys. We haven't had 3 green closure above the exponential moving average on the daily time frame, which is fantastic. And of course, guys, daily time frame right here, I wouldn't be surprised if we come back and retest this EMA right here. Another thing I wanted to retest is this resistance right here. The support. So we were consolidating right here after we had this nice little breakout above on the daily time frame, above the resistance, the purple line right here. And now we're actually breaking out of it, which is very nice. My thought is to come back and not only retest the EMA ribbon, but also retest this area right here, as you guys can see. And that is about it. Let's have a look at Kadena real quick. Kadena is one of my favorite coins out there. We were consolidating for quite some time. Let's start off with the daily time frame real quick. Remove the indicators. On Kadena, we were actually consolidating for some time right here, as you guys can see. These were the 2 areas we were consolidating, and then yesterday we actually finally broke out. We were consolidating around this area since the 15th of March. And now, boom, we just broke out of it. These 2 candles are pretty bullish. That means there's a lot of buy pressure, still controlled by the bears a little bit. But look at this, guys. The beauty about this is Kadena is still in a downtrend, of course. I mean, we did break this nice little downtrend, are consolidating to the upside. I bought some more Kadenas yesterday. I'm hoping to make a nice little move to $10. That's my price prediction for Kadena. If we manage to break $10, I wouldn't be surprised if we make a nice little move to the all-time highs. Our next resistance would be 15, and then the one after that would be 25. So these are the 3 targets I'm looking at for Kadena: TP1, TP2, TP3 right here. It's definitely going to be very interesting to see what comes in the near future, of course, with Bitcoin almost breaking this resistance right here. But Bitcoin being at 45,000, 44,000 is huge in my opinion. If Bitcoin does come down below this triangle and closes below, that's going to be bad news bears for us, and we're most likely going to come back down to 39,000. But that is not the case for right now. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.